Math 102, example 2.6.1, version A. Let's look at solving quadratic equations. Now, we have a number of ways that we can do this. The first is to factor, because if I have two things multiplied together equal to 0, then I can set them equal to 0 individually. To factor this as two binomials, I want two numbers that multiply to the last coefficient, so -6, and that add to the middle coefficient, so here -1. There should only be two numbers that fit both conditions. Now we want to be a little bit careful with our signs, because if I use +3 and -2, that does give me -6, but that adds up to +1. However, if we use -3 and +2, that does still multiply to -6, and that does add to -1. So I factor as two binomials, both of which start with x, and the other two numbers are the numbers I just found, so -3 and +2, and it's still equal to 0. I then use that zero factor theorem, so let's set each of those quantities equal to 0 separately. So then solving, I get +3 and -2. When solving quadratic equations, I expect to get two answers.